Achieve digital excellence with Roima Intelligence. Streamline your manufacturing for end-to-end efficiency. Transform your factory with smart solutions. Embrace Industry 4.0 for sustainable gains. Address process industry challenges. Achieve efficient, high-quality, paperless production. Boost operations and reduce waste with advanced practices. Sustainable digital solutions for supply chain and smart factories. Visualize goals, enhance production plans, and optimize resources for agile manufacturing via APS, real-time factory visibility, prudent decisions, and process optimization via HMI, SCADA. Enhance QC, reporting, traceability, and product quality with our management solutions. Ensure uniform master data for optimal manufacturing with our MDM solutions. Forecast, plan, and profit with an integrated business planning solution. Smooth reporting, data flow, and IoT-based digital twin creation via an integrated platform. Use APM to measure, visualize, and improve asset performance for optimal efficiency. MS solution for product scheduling, live monitoring, QC, and closing ERP shop floor gap. Streamline your operations with MOM while planning WOMs, QC, and resource management. Achieve efficient operations and smart data management with Roima's expert Aviva Pi integration. For end-to-end efficiency, streamline your manufacturing operations with Roima. As an endorsed Aviva system integrator, Roima provides expertise in quality control for industrial software. FitAware WMS is a powerful SaaS tool for efficient intralogistics and warehouse operations. Logia WMS and WCS offer efficient warehouse management and automation control in the same software. Pareto IBP is a supply chain platform enabling unmatched supply chain and ESG optimization. Roima integrates Planet Together APS with Aviva MES for streamlined manufacturing. Optimize manufacturing with Roima APS for real-time monitoring and resource allocation. Lean System, our modular factory ERP for real-time production, digital twin integration, and planning. Roima Intelligence is the leading provider of edge supply chain software and services. Visit roimaint.com.